Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Yves. Today I am here to do a very quick review on 5 of my favorite primers that I've been enjoying. So if you'd like to see, please stick around. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna go in any particular order because all 5 of these primers are my favorites for different reasons. And up first I have from YSL, and this is from their new collection. This is the Blotting Lotion Mat. I reviewed this one here on my channel already. This one is a matte primer. It turns your foundation into matte. It holds your foundation on your skin. It also minimizes the look of pores and fine lines and wrinkles. This is a really lovely one for if you do have aging or mature skin. I would absolutely recommend this. If you do have oily skin, I feel like this is a really lovely option for you, and that's why I had to mention this one in my top 5 favorite primers. And up next I have from LYS Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer, and this one has a very nice pleasant smell to it, and this one also minimizes the look of pores and fine lines and aging skin. So I feel like if you do have oily skin, this would be lovely for you. If you have the look of pores, this would be lovely. If you have fine lines or aging or mature skin, this is really a lovely primer or base for your makeup. Up next I have from a new company, LYS Beauty, and this is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. I recently reviewed this one here on my channel, and all of these products that was previously reviewed on my channel, I'm gonna link it at the bottom with the full review. This has lovely skincare benefits in this one. So not only is a primer that's prepping your skin for makeup, it's also a magnificent skincare option for you as well. It is very lightweight, and it is just like a serum, clear and very lightweight. This is nice for if you do have oily skin. I feel like this is lovely for if you have dry skin. This is great for if you have combination skin, so I will absolutely recommend this one to all skin types. Up next I have from Lancôme, and this is the La Base Pro Makeup Primer. This is a nice option for if you do have large pores or oily skin or fine lines or mature skin. I feel like this is an amazing option for you. It does come in this really light gel form. It's super lightweight. It doesn't have any oils or any grease in this one. I feel like it makes the base of your makeup really smooth for a seamless application. I usually reach for this one when I'm going for a full coverage look, as it does perfect the base really lovely, and you can pile on layers and layers because how smooth the base becomes with this primer. So if you're going for a full coverage look and you're oily skin girl like me, even if you're a dry skin girl, I feel like this would work really lovely for you, as it does create a really smooth base to any type of foundation that you may choose to use. Last but not least, I have from Gucci, and this is the Skin Priming Serum. I also reviewed this one here on my channel with the Gucci collection, and I am gonna leave a link with the product in my description box. And this one comes in this really beautiful packaging. It is a creamy form, like so, a white cream. It is very lightly fragrant, not bad at all. This one goes on seamless. I feel like this one turns any makeup into matte makeup, even if my foundation isn't a matte foundation, when I use this Gucci primer, it turns any of my foundation into a matte foundation, and I love this one for that. I also love this one because it does blur the look of pores and fine line. I feel like this one is really lovely for aging skin as well. This is lovely for both oily and dry skin types, as it's a really magnificent option. It is a bit pricey, but I feel like it's worth every dollar. That's why I had to put it in here as one of my top 5 favorite primers that I'm enjoying here at the end of 2021. Share with me in the comment section, I mean, which one is your favorite? Which primer do you use? Is something that I overlooked and didn't mention here today? Please share it with me in the comment section, as I would love to know. I really hope this video was helpful to lots, and if you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.